Hi, Kamara babes, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanita, and if you are new, welcome. So as you ladies can see, this is a hair review, and the hair that I will be doing today is from Romface store. You guys, this is a 26-inch HD transparent lace frontal wig, 180 density, pre-plucked with baby hairs. The color is natural black. It's also a 13 by 4, and the price of this unit is $202. They also have other options, so ladies, make sure you check that description box below. With everything I use in this unit as well will be in that description box. So as you guys see here, I'm showing you the front of the unit, the 13 by 4, the combs on the side, and of course, that comb in the back for extra security, and the adjustable straps, ladies. I love that. So you guys, ask me for what it is. The 180 density, check. Pre-pluck, check. HD transparent lace, check, ladies. You guys, this is a thick unit. I love it. As you guys see, I'm showing you here on Kyra. The parting sprays that you'll be able to create, you are beautiful style with as well, letting you know how far you can go back with. Ladies, I love this unit. I love it. You guys know I love a thick unit personally. I love how they gave that detail on their plucking. But as you guys know what time it is, I'm going to give a little bit more plucking. So you guys, let's get ready for this install because we about to be lit. We about to be lit in this install, period.
Shades on, just bring something.
Hi, you guys. So you have reached the install part of the session. So thanks for making it this far. If you've reached this far, make sure you guys like, comment, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you know the next time your girl posts. So you guys, I am loving this 26-inch. I'm not showing it today right here on Kyra because, of course, you seen the end of the clip. I had it all pinned up in curls. So, y'all, I haven't got any shedding. It doesn't have any smell. It did greatly once I washed it and bleached it and all of that. It did good. So I got the results that I was looking for. Y'all, I'm in love with this. So as you guys can see, I'm already prepped and ready. But I will be giving you guys a more installed video on a cap. I'm going to give you plenty different methods and ways that you can do it. So be in tune for that. Stay tuned for that. So y'all, other than that, y'all, I am loving this hair. It did exactly what I need to do. Make sure you guys check the description box. Everything that I use will be in the description box below. So without further ado, y'all, let's get to this install.
Ain't that wrong with it? I don't wanna give you the wrong impression. I need love and affection. And I hope I'm not sounding too desperate. I need love and affection. Love, 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 love and affection. Love, love, L-O-V-E and affection.
Oh baby, I'm not asking for the world, maybe. You can give me what I want, baby. Come home tired and when I'm trying to save me, give it to me on a daily. If I'm your girl, say my name, boy, let me know I'm in control. We both grown, so how we feel, we can let it show. I won't play around, I wanna lay it down. I need you now, I need you now. Oh.
I don't wanna give you the wrong impression. I need love and affection. And I hope I'm not sounding too desperate. I need love and affection. Love, 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 love and affection. Love, love, L-O-V-E and affection.
Boy, lately, you've been stingy with your time. Got me wondering, I'm wondering if I'm on your mind. Boy, I just wanna be in your possession. Say I'm the one you want, so come express it. Don't slip, cause a nigga might push up on it. Don't really wanna lose this moment. While window shopping, you own this side. Don't put it down, don't fuck around. I want you now, I want you now.
Okay, Kamar babes, we have made it to the end result. As you guys can see, we have a ponytail and a bang. Y'all, we got a bang going. Side bang, well, whatever you want to call it. I don't do bangs because I don't like hair in my face, but I see that I haven't given you guys that, so I wanted to do something different as far as a bang. So every time it'll be something little each time, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As you guys can see, this 26 is giving you more than 26. Y'all see how long that ponytail was? Oh, girl. It's a 10 out of 10 for me, regardless. I'm loving this hair. As you guys can see here, I'm showing you different ways that you can pull it, honey. I am loving it. I love this 20. Y'all, it's giving you what you pay for. This unit will last you a long time. It should last you more and more installs. I love just the thickness of this hair. And I was able to use wax stick this time. And you guys, those pin curls, as you guys can see, my curls have failed. I was out, so my curls fell, but I still came on here and it's still giving. And it's still giving, honey. So I hope you guys, look at this. Look, it's giving more of almost 28. I'm going to give it 28. I mean, because, honey, it's got some length on it. And y'all, I just love the feel of it. I got so many compliments on this hair already. So, I mean, honey, get you some. Check that description box, y'all, and go get it because this unit will last you a long time. Lots of more of the units in my videos will last you a long time, but this is one of the ones. This is a 10 out of 10, boo. Y'all, I love you guys. Thank you guys for keeping that comment section so lit. Thank you guys for just supporting me along the way, good and bad and crazy and up and down. But we are getting it and we are going to continue this journey regardless. I love you guys. Until the next video.